Can you trust the Gospels? Besides the Gospels, there are a total of 17 non-biblical sources from the 1st and 2nd century that mention Jesus and corroborate details of his life which are mentioned in the Gospels, such as the fact that he had disciples, that he was a teacher, or that he was crucified under Pontius Pilate. This is pretty impressive if you consider the fact that in order to reconstruct the lives of most figures from the ancient past, historians can usually refer to only a handful or even just one single source. Among the 17 sources are, for example, the Roman historian Tacitus, who is considered the most important author upon whom our knowledge of Roman history is based. In his work The Annals, which has been called the pinnacle of Roman historical writing, he establishes that Jesus was crucified under Pontius Pilate. The 2nd century philosopher Celsus, in his attack against Christianity called True Doctrine, argues that Jesus was a magician and sorcerer, thus ascribing supernatural acts to him.